Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome to your ultimate guide for connecting the Smartwatch Ultra. With the 2025 updates, pairing is faster and more intuitive than ever before, making setup a breeze. This video breaks down every essential step, ensuring you unlock all the incredible features your watch has to offer, from advanced fitness tracking to instant notifications. Get ready to experience seamless connectivity and truly elevate your digital lifestyle. We'll have your Ultra paired up and ready to go in no time at all. Before we jump into the pairing process, a little preparation goes a long way for a smooth connection. First, make sure your Smartwatch Ultra has at least 50% battery, or ideally, a full charge. Next, update your smartphone's operating system to its latest version. This ensures full compatibility with the 2025 watch software. Finally, switch on Bluetooth on your phone and keep your watch very close by. These quick checks prevent common pairing issues. Now for the main event, connecting your watch. Start by opening the official Smartwatch Ultra app on your smartphone. Ensure you have the latest version. Inside the app, look for an option like Add New Device or Pair a Watch and select it. Your phone will then begin searching for your Ultra. Once it appears on the list, tap its name, and a unique pairing code will display on both devices. Simply confirm these codes match on both screens, and you're almost done. Once paired, your watch will automatically begin syncing essential data, including your contacts, calendar, and health profiles. This process is usually quite fast. Now is the perfect time to personalize your experience. Dive into the app settings to customize precisely which notifications you receive, from messages to fitness alerts. You can also pick from a vast library of watch faces and easily set your daily activity goals. Make your Ultra truly yours with these quick, impactful adjustments. Experiencing a small hiccup? Don't worry, troubleshooting is straightforward. If your watch isn't connecting, try restarting both your smartphone and your Smartwatch Ultra. A quick refresh often resolves common issues. Also, ensure no other devices are actively attempting to connect via Bluetooth nearby, as this can occasionally interfere with the pairing. For persistent issues, check the in-app support section for the latest fixes. You are now fully ready to enjoy your connected Smartwatch Ultra experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.